On World Science Day, many may not be aware that a deep space tracking station nestled in the Australian countryside is a vital cog in humanity's push into outer space. The CSIRO's base at Tidbinbilla will play a key role in future NASA missions to the Moon and Mars. And the scientists who run it believe space exploration can help underpin Australia's economic recovery after COVID-19.
To peer into space is to establish a cosmic context for humankind. And guess who is receiving most of the messages?
I always refer to it as the post office of the universe, or the telephone exchange for space.
He's talking about this station, 35 kilometres outside Canberra, built by NASA in the 1960s and operated by the CSIRO. It's humanity's main point of communication, with over 30 robotic spacecraft currently exploring the solar system, sending back data from the sun, roving on Mars, probing the Saturnian rings and Jovian moons, and sampling asteroids.
The government has set up 6 key pillars for the advancement of the Australian economy over the next few years, and one of those pillars is space. By doing that exploration and pushing the bounds of what's possible, we're also creating new technologies, new processes, new ways of doing things. So this screen shows all of our tracking activity. You can see our Californian station, it's currently talking to Voyager 1, most distant spacecraft from the Earth, which is currently 22.67 billion kilometres away. And the great thing about this display is you can actually get it directly on your mobile device,
keeping the public engaged as the solar system's darkest corners are illuminated.
Somewhere something incredible is waiting to be known. They're the words of famous American astronomer Carl Sagan from a few decades ago. It's that spirit of discovery which led to the creation of this tracking station, but its best days aren't behind it. Rather, they're on the horizon.
3, 2,
and that horizon is fast approaching. The NASA Artemis program will land the first woman on the moon by 2024 and then take humans to Mars. The vital communications conduit for those missions will be this operations centre.
The last couple of years, things have gone crazy in the space industries, and especially Australia. So we've certainly, after years of sort of inactivity, we've certainly had major buy-in now.
And the federal government wants to grow that pie over the next decade, a lifeline for an economy battered by COVID-19. It aims to triple the local space sector to $12 billion and add 20,000 jobs, strengthen things we're already good at, such as robotics and advanced communications, and lay the foundations for eventual human spaceflight from Australia.
It's been a difficult year, but something like the exploration of space, exploring other worlds, making new discoveries on the moon and other places, is something that makes us think we can do great things.
Helping us peer into a universe waiting to be discovered. Darren Mara, SBS World News.